in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the pages that have been made for IXL skills for the district focus to your It's Learning course, so they'll be all ready and loaded for your students and easy for you to set up. So what you'll need to do is click on the Library tab after you've logged into It's Learning. And all of these IXL skills for the district focus have been uploaded to the library and they're named by grade level. So you'll search IXL and then grade whatever you teach. So for this example, I'll use grade 1. And I'll search here. If you teach 6th grade, you would put IXL grade 6, IXL grade 5 for 5th grade, and so on. And there's going to be some search results that come up. Some of these are not ones that you need to pay attention to. The ones that you need to pay attention to are ones that are specifically pages. They have a little page icon. If you hover over it, it has BCSC as a tag. It also says BCSC IXL grade 1 district focus. So for all of the different grade levels, it says BCSC in the description, and that's how you should know this is the specific resource that you need to copy into your course. So click the item that you need. I'm going to add this to my course. So I'm going to click Add to Course. And then I get to pick which one of my It's Learning courses I want to add this to. So I'm going to add it to my course. And then from there, it's going to bring up my resource tree. So this is my resources tab, or formerly called the tree, in my course. I can put it in a specific folder if I want. So if I have a folder that's all IXL skills for the district focus, I can put it in there. If I don't pick a folder, that's fine. You don't have to. It will just add it to the bottom of my tree. So it'll be the last thing that's added to my course. So I'm just going to do that. And then it gives me a confirmation message that it's been added to my course. So I'm going to click Go to Course. If you don't click this message in time, because it will disappear, you can always go to the Courses tab and then get to your course from there, and then click on Resources, and that's where this has been added. So I'm going to scroll down and find my item, and it's IXL grade 1. And then it's going to take a second to load, but here is all of the information I need for this specific skills for grade 1. So I could basically give this to my students, and now we're good to go. If I didn't want this to be active in my tree quite yet for students to see, I could again go back to my Resources tab. I could toggle this No so it's not active for my students until I want it to be. And that's how you add the pages for IXL skills to your It's Learning page.